Noma, also known as cancrum oris. The word noma derives from the Greek bone, meaning to devour, emphasizing the rapid progression of the disease. Noma is a gangrenous infection of the mouth that mainly affects young and malnourished children in very poor communities. Noma occurs when bacteria and microbes quickly destroy facial bones and tissues, leading to severe facial disfigurements and often death. Its etiology is unknown, but research suggests that it may be a severe stage of the disease process of necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis caused by Fusosporidial bacterium. It predominantly affects children aged 2 to 6 years, living in extreme poverty in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Knowing the stages of the disease will help dental professionals act accordingly and possibly save the individual. So let's go through them together. A child will begin experiencing oral tissue sensitivity, bleeding upon brushing, and purplish red gums. It's critical that dental professionals are educating their clients and watching out for symptoms. In stage 1, the acute necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis stage, the gums will spontaneously bleed and develop painful ulcerations. Bad breath and excessive salivation may also be present. This can last indefinitely. Then there's the edema stage that lasts for 1 to 2 weeks. A child will begin experiencing facial swelling or edema, tender facial muscles and oral cavity, high fever, and lymphadenopathy. Pain and tenderness make it difficult to eat, so the child will develop anorexia. The child will begin the 3rd stage of Noma, called the gangrenous stage, if emergency treatment is not given. Well-demarcated lesions with a blackened necrotic center will begin to develop. Eating is still difficult, if not impossible. By the end of this short period, the child will develop a hole in their face, exposing the teeth and other bone. Only 1 to 2 weeks later, stage 4, aka the scarring phase, begins. At this stage, the acute phase is over. However, it's still important to treat the child to limit the sequelae as much as possible and to ensure the child's well-being. Trismus may occur. Sequestration of teeth and exposed bones, and scar formation begin. At the sequelae stage, irreversible sequelae are present. Management consists of ensuring that the child's living environment is conducive to their well-being. Common signs include disfigurement, trismus depending on the location of the lesions, teeth loss, feeding difficulties, speech problems, salivary leak, and teeth displacement. Noma can be averted through food security, measles vaccination, prevention of malaria and HIV, and early detection and treatment of necrotizing gingivitis and stomatitis. It was estimated that 140,000 children were affected yearly by Noma. That leaves 770,000 survivors right now worldwide. Worldwide, every 6 minutes, a child dies from Noma. The mortality rate of Noma is 90%. That means every 9 out of 10 kids will die before they even have their very first molars. So why is no one talking about it? Our survey found that 60% of surveyed dental professionals have not heard about the neglected disease. Half of them didn't even know how to prevent Noma, and 20% didn't know that it could even be prevented. Is it because it's not a challenge we face in North America? So what can you, as a dental professional, do to help? Educate yourself, spread awareness, apply for a work position to offer your services. This could include reconstructive surgery, or just dental cleanings in general. You could also financially contribute to organizations working towards solutions, such as the Noma Fund, or other funds that you can find just by Googling, "How can I help Noma?" Remember, every little bit counts. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Don't forget to share and help spread awareness.